All right, a common summertime injury, unfortunately, deals with swimming injuries around the pool, people slipping around the pool, and unfortunately, we do have cases where people drown. We had a very tragic situation in Mobile this past week where a 14-year-old boy drowned, and it kind of brings up, too, where you have an attractive nuisance, and what is your responsibility as a homeowner to, keep kids away from, from your pool or the water. What should homeowners be mindful of now that kids are out of school, roaming around? What do homeowners need to keep in mind, and explain what an attractive nuisance is?
Yes, it's a parent's worst nightmare, and my heart breaks for anytime you hear of a situation like that. As a homeowner, what you need to do is you need to make sure that with your pool that you protect not only your family but others from coming onto your property. And you may say, well, heck, if I have a swimming pool and someone comes into my property or on my property, and if they get injured, then that's their own fault because they're trespassing onto my property. And that's true in a lot of cases. Like if you had a pool and I came onto your property and was not invited and something happened to me, then I'm not going to have a case because I am trespassing on your property. However, your neighbor, if they've got a 7-year-old that you have a pool out there and they see that pool, and then they come onto your property and they get in it, something bad happens, you are going to be liable in most cases because you have what we call an attractive nuisance. That can be a swimming pool, it can be a construction zone area, it can be a trampoline, anything that attracts a kid. And you know how curious kids are, and they see something that's new to them, especially a pool or a trampoline, and they want, they're curious and they want to go and investigate it. And so you need to protect, again, not only your family but also others from being able to do that. So reasonable steps of precaution are necessary. You need to either have some type of a fence or a gate, something to prevent someone from getting in there. Now, if they take, if they go to the extra mile and climb over or get a ladder and they get in and something happens, then no, you're going to be protected in a situation like that because you took the reasonable steps to protect people.